Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Hasaki token. Ticker symbol is HAHA, haha. This token got listed yesterday or the day before on CoinMarketCap. It was just kind of, not doing much for a day or two. And all of a sudden, it's up 263.05%, doing very well today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Hasaki token. So Hasaki.ai is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap, along with their Etherscan, their block explorer, their Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram, full white paper, price chart, and contract address are all available on CoinMarketCap. So this is an Ethereum token, so if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Hasaki token using the contract address that you can find on CoinMarketCap or their webpage or their Etherscan, which is on CoinMarketCap. Now you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we will go over that in a second here. And there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So right now they have 1,364 holders, so they're doing very well here. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 100 billion tokens. Now, if you head over to their white paper, which you can find at hasaki-docs.gitbook.io, you can find all the information you need over there. It says, "Hi, I'm Hasaki, the smartest dog in the universe. Not just a meme, but also the most reliable artificial intelligence assistant in the crypto space. I run on ChatGPT and a vertical industry language library in the crypto space, which enables me to accurately extract effective information from a database of up to billions of items through an artificial intelligence system. And at present, it helps users in an intuitive way. I am able to be a trainable AI assistant that serves the entire crypto industry vertically. Hasaki will be the most authoritative information and behavioral service terminal in the entire crypto world. Hasaki's presence eliminates the inaccuracy and incompleteness of traditional information acquisition methods and lowers the threshold for users to obtain information. The emergence of Hasaki will completely change the way the crypto users obtain information and fundamentally break their cognitive barriers." So due to the universal enthusiasm brought by ChatGPT, humans have begun to believe that the collective human intelligence will be inferior to the artificial intelligence system that we have built and deployed on a large scale by many orders of magnitude in our lifetime. This is not just an alarmist talk. Through AI, it is created by humans and runs based on a programmatic logic. It is often calmer, more objective, and highly neutral compared to humans in a sense. AI is superior to humans in that way. This also means that the impartial judgment by AI will be far higher than humans and all search engines created by humans. The blockchain space will be the core value of decentralized needs research, judgment, and analysis of high neutrality under AI judgment more than any other industry. Hasaki was born under the strong demand of this market. We can understand Hasaki as a tamed AI assistant serving the entire cryptocurrency industry. It will be the most authoritative info and behavioral service terminal in the entire crypto space. So in the past, cryptocurrency users retrieve and understand the industry information mainly through the following channels: social media platforms like Twitter, data inclusion websites like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and active searching by search engines such as Google. However, there's some drawbacks when users obtain information through social platforms. They're judging on subjective impressions. By this judgment, it's not comprehensive or accurate. When they learn through websites, there's information barriers such as project information. And finally, users through search engines, they often see extremely complex information flow, which increases the cost of obtaining information, causing users to need to screen and filter this information. Hasaki runs based on a large language database of the entire blockchain industry, accurately extracting effective information from the database of up to billions of items through an artificial intelligence system, presenting it intuitively to the users. So the emergence of Hasaki will be a milestone in revolution. It will accomplish the revolution through three directions: simulating training of language database of up to millions of items in the blockchain space, revolutionary information interaction methods of the crypto space, and using token incentives to encourage more users to participate in the process of AI training, promoting the continuous evolution of Hasaki. So tokenomics, 70% of the tokens go to IDO, 20% go to liquidity pool, 10% marketing and airdrops for early supporter rewards. Total supply, 100 billion tokens. So there is going to be a DAO, the arbitrators DAO, so they will vote on which direction they want the project to go in. So they have the phase 1, they're starting with functions, so logic method, basic functions, advanced functions. And then phase 2 is going to be the evolution, so phased-based functions. And phase number 3 is going to be can audit the open source contract code submitted by users, can write smart contracts according to demands. And phase 4 is going to be the AI, the most reliable trading partner with all sorts of new functions as well. So you can go over more in depth that roadmap on their white paper. And they show you how to get the tokens if you're not sure, how I explained it earlier. You can find all the information at hasaki-docs.gitbook.io, and you can find this token newly listed on CoinMarketCap. They're doing very well today, 261% in the green right now. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.